A decision which has a valid signature of a man who cannot sign. I am told that there are many secretaries are now returning the files with the remark that the signature of this Honorable Chief Minister does not match. Two of our members left our party and they have joined the pact, which is good enough for them because they are birds of the same feathers.
Last time,
they have shown us that man breathing artificially or otherwise. He's a breather. It's a breather for them. It's not happy. They are not happy.
Then why are they going to court if they are not happy?
See, my dear, that day I spoke, you please show us whether he is living or you perform the last rites.
They showed they were satisfied.
No, not satisfied. It is like a statue. There is no expression. He may be breathing artificially, but where is the expression?